Hello everyone, this is Sapna Sharma and today's our topic is based on artificial intelligence. Now before moving into the depth of artificial intelligence, first we should know the basic things about why we require artificial intelligence, what is artificial intelligence and what are its aspects. Now the reason behind we people are moving for artificial intelligence in a very fast manner is that it would be helping out the human being in order to make their work function more perfectly, in order to make their work to work out in a very faster manner. So they are nothing but they are acting as an helping hand whenever there is any circumstances or some kind of like situations where we need to perform our particular task in a very rigorous or in a very fast manner. Now let us move for the discussion. So AI is nothing but a two simple combination words actually. It is the mixture of two words. The words tell you about like it is just a copy of the human brain but with the thinking ability. Means not only the brain but it also have the abilities, thinking ability same as the human brain. So we can also call it as a smart machine. See, it's not a human being but it is a smart machine which would be making the things to work in the same manner as human being actually do in current world scenario. Now let us move to the next part. As you can see, this pictorial information, what this pictorial information is telling, this is a human being and he is stuck somewhere. He want to perform certain tasks, so he is asking who can help me, who can help me. Similarly, this is the artificial intelligence machine, a smart machine which is telling, sir, I would be helping you out. So if we move to the next part, as we talk about the artificial intelligence, but how many types are there, how many various forms of artificial intelligence are there? So there are many different vivid means like phases of artificial intelligence, but we would be picking up most important two. The first one is the weak artificial intelligence and the second one is the strong artificial intelligence. Now let us move why we require weak artificial intelligence, what exactly it means. So let me tell you one thing, like if you talk about weak artificial intelligence, then it is a narrow. It's a very narrow, means it is restricted to some specific area, to some specific bandwidth, to some surrounding walls and all. It can only perform within those walls. It cannot move beyond those walls. Secondly, it has a very limited area to do the functionality. Third point is like that the functionality of this weak AI is totally dependent upon the prior algorithms, the prior rules and the prior procedure which we have defined before making it into the actual performance. Now if you go for like example, so we can take the gaming zone example. As we all know, whenever we people play the games, that game is following some procedures, some rules and regulations, and those all rules and regulations are being followed by the user who is playing that particular game and by the game itself also. In that manner it would be moving. So that particular game won't be able to do any particular task out of those procedure, rules and regulations. He is not or she is not using his own brain. They are not using their own brain. They are using the procedure which were already built. That's why we called it as a weak AI. It can be destroyed, within a sort of time. Now, the another aspect of AI is the strong AI. What is the major difference between the strong AI and the weak AI? We know weak AI is very limited, but whereas if we talk about the strong AI, it can perform multiple tasks at a single instant of time. Means like it is not restricted to any procedure. It is not totally restricted to the procedure, rules and regulations. It can do the other type of work also which are out of the box with the help of the thinking ability thinking intelligence it is having. So we can also tell like it is having much more mental capability than your weak AI. Next, it is say acting in a same manner as the human brain. Like human brain is not having any predefined things. The human brain react as per the circumstances and the conditions which are done. In the same manner, the strong AI would be also working. It is a complete package of AI. It is a complete package working in different directions simultaneously within a same instant of time or same like place area and all. It is much more philosophical, means like analytical, which would be describing the things into the depth manner. Next important, it follows the two different type of algorithm, that is clustering and association. Now, what is clustering and association? It is nothing but a groupism concept which would be grouping this similar, not 100%, but similar type of data into one particular group, and that is known as the clustering and association. Means every time, every particular data need not to be processed individually. We can perform a group and we can execute all those data into a single instant. That would be a time saving also, and it would be much more faster as compared to the individual processing. Example, if you talk, example could be robots. Robots are able to perform the task like into the different manners with the different functionalities. Now let us move to the next part, like the process, how it works. So as per this pictorial information, we can say, like first of all we need to generate the data. As we'll give you one very small example out of it. When you talk about the data generation, like FB is there, you have a profile, you post messages, you post some like images, you post some audios, videos, and a lot of things. So what FB is doing, FB is generating the data from the things which you people are posting. So it's nothing but the generation of data into the different format. It can be into the structured, into the proper format, or it can be into the raw format also, unstructured manner. Whatever data we people are generating, that data is being stored inside the big storage houses. Like best example is the data warehouse, where millions and trillions of data are being like stored. There we cannot do the other type of manipulation like deletion or something is not done. It's the procedure of loading the data. That's why in data warehouse we are able to see both type of data, the current data and the previous data itself. Now after storing the data, the machine would be requiring that data in order to do the process, in order to do the analysis part on that particular data. So similarly here, machine's intelligence power is doing the data processing. After data processing, they would be creating certain action, means prediction of the things, prediction of the result which actually they want to show. So this is the manner how the things would be going on, from where the data is being collected, how it is stored, how it is being processed, and how it is converted into the action. So if you talk about data processing and actionable insight, here is the place where your artificial intelligence would be working into the strong manner. Now, if you go for the functionality of AI, so this particular pictorial information would be telling you about the functionality of AI, where we people are having the different platforms, the different things which are involved while coming with the artificial intelligence. Let us move and discuss into a bit brief manner. The first is the machine learning. Now what machine learning is, if you want to make any particular machine, you need to understand what that machine need to perform exactly, what all things that machine has to execute and to take out the result out of it. The second part is deep learning. Deep learning means what? After analyzing the machine, we need to make a network, and through that particular network the data would be processed. So it is nothing but from multiple position the input is coming, and we would be generating the one single output out of it. Same as your websites and all, multiple users are using your particular website at a single instant of time, but you are generating a single output or single result out of it. Third important point is the neural network. Means you talk about the network, but what type of network you would be requiring? You would be requiring a network which is neural type. Why we require this neural type? Because it is forming a bridge, or it is forming an interactivity tool between the human and the machine in order to understand each other. Unless and until my machine is not able to understand me as a human being, then how my machine would be able to do the task in the same manner as the human beings are doing, right? Now, next point is natural language processing. This is very important part. See, when I am talking to you people, I am talking in English language. Why I am talking in English language? Because you are able to know, you are able to understand it, right? In the same manner, the machine should be able to understand the language which is actually being said by the human being. If human being is telling clean this, so machine should be able to understand what that human being is telling. It is telling to clean, it is telling to swipe, or it is telling any particular task. So the speech or the things or the language which we people are using, it need to be properly interpreted, it need to be properly recognized, and it need to produce the strong output out of it. Last one is the computer vision. Now what this computer vision is telling, it is nothing but the pattern identification. Pattern identification means like in order to understand what is the content and what we have to exactly do. So if you talk about like in this, it would be having a range of images, and after viewing this particular image, like for example, I show that apple fruit ka image. So my machine should be able to recognize that thing. He should be able to recognize this is the image of the fruit so called as apple. So that is known as the pattern identification, how it need to be performed while we are talking about the artificial intelligence. So to all, I hope that this particular topic would be very helpful you all in order to understand the basic functionality of AI. So it is nothing but an artificial human being which is made in order to help you out. Thank you so very much for listening me. Have a nice